Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seddiesnowz and I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. And then to my returning subscribers, thank you all for staying loyal to me, and let's keep I promised you guys in my other video that I was going to give you guys tips on how to get 4,000 watch hours fast. Let me make this clear. This video is based on my experience. I know that there are so many different ways to get 4,000 watch hours fast. So for that reason, how to get 4,000 watch hours are not limited to these tips I'm going to give you guys. Like I said, and I repeat, this is based on my own experience. So I'm not going to tell you guys what I don't know. I'm not going to start telling you guys things that I know other people are doing that I am not sure of. That's why I'm giving you guys tips that I did that worked for me. So if this video popped up on your recommendations list, then this video is meant for you. So don't be stubborn, make sure you watch it, because YouTube will not recommend a video that you don't need. So guys, let us go straight into the first tip, and it is consistency. I know that a lot of YouTubers have already emphasized on this particular tip, and I can also say that consistency is key to getting 4,000 watch hours fast. I'm not going to say that I actually used this. We all know that creating content is not easy. You know, when we are about to start our YouTube channel, I know that we are always goal driven. We are so motivated. We are so eager. We are so enthusiastic about the whole thing that we always say, I'm going to be consistent, because they say consistency works and it is good and stuff like that. But sister, brother, it is not easy. It is never easy. You know, most times you run out of ideas on what content to create. No matter what, it happens. So most times you start your channel and at a point you start getting tired, you don't know what next to post, then your consistency begins to drop. Guys, there was a time, especially during the worldwide lockdown, as from February, I stayed away from my channel for 3 good months, and I paid for it. Honestly guys, it really dealt with me. It dealt with me, because imagine staying away from your channel for 3 months. You were not posting, not interacting with nobody, nothing. Guys, I know that there are some times that we get tired. We are not machines, you know, so it's bound for us to get tired at some point. So I got to that point where I was really exhausted, plus the world was in total lockdown and nothing was moving, and you know, my niche is mostly hair tutorials, so I ran out of all my supplies, my hair supplies, and I couldn't create content anymore. So I had to go on a break. I went for a 3 months break, and when I came back, the effect on my channel was gross. I mean, I felt alien when I finally returned, and I can never recover from the loss I made for not uploading content for 3 whole months. So guys, keep being consistent. Try your best to be consistent. I know it can be tiring sometimes, but just try harder. And then the next point I'm going to give you guys on how to get 4,000 watch hours fast. Guys, this is the easiest way I know, the easiest, and that is through live streams. I am not saying that live streams are the only means by which we can get 4,000 watch hours fast, but I'm saying this because it worked for me. You know guys, like I said, I went for a break for a very long time on my channel, and when I came back, it's not as if my channel already gets the most views, but then at least I was getting views at a point. But then when I went for a break and came back, nobody knew me on this street anymore, guys. I was alone. Nobody knew me. Even the friends I already made before I went on the break, most of them had already forgotten me. They had forgotten about me. So I had to be the one to start pursuing them, making them know that I'm back, I'm still here, and stuff like that. So you know the effect of staying away from your channel. You know how it can affect your channel and your growth. So guys, live streams. You know, when I finally came back, I was ready to start creating content again, but then I wasn't getting views. I wasn't getting enough interaction on my channel. And one thing was, when I came back from that 3 months break, almost all my friends that I was interacting with, it's from the beginning of this year, got monetized. And I felt like, really? You mean I'm the only one on the streets who hasn't been monetized? And I was like, wow, no, this can't happen. And most of these people I know are people that were doing live streams consistently. And then when I came back, almost everybody was monetized, and then I was just there alone. And I said, no, this can't happen. You know, the Bible says the kingdom of God suffereth violence, and only the violent take it by force. And I'm like, I'm going to be very brutal. I'm going to be very, very arrogant about my monetization. I mean, these people were people I knew that were just coming up, and I used to frequent their live streams always. And then I come back after 3 months and they are all monetized. I said, no, it's not going to happen. I must get monetized as well. If they could get monetized fast by doing a lot of live streams, then I would definitely be monetized as well through that medium. So guys, that was when I started doing my live streams, and trust me, live streams help a lot. I'm saying this to people who don't get a lot of views on their channel. I know that there are a lot of YouTube content creators here that get monetized just by their normal content because they get a lot of views from their videos. But if you're the kind of person that don't get a lot of views on your channel, then I advise you to start live streams. And then this point is going to take us to the next point, which is the third point, and that is to get a good internet plan. You can't do live streams without internet. And guys, I live in Nigeria, and we all know, we Nigerians already know how expensive data is. It is super expensive. So for you to be able to do these live streams, you need a good internet. The moment I decided I was going to start doing live streams, I already made plans for my internet. I did a lot of research on different internet companies that are good and are quite affordable. I'm not saying that they are very cheap. No, there's no cheap internet in this Niger, but I just looked for one that would be very good, because you don't want to get any internet that will keep flopping, keeps buffering. You won't be able to do what you want to do with it. So guys, just get a good internet plan that will enable you to be able to do this, because you can't be buying 10 gigabyte, 10 gig for your live streams to finish in no time. So you don't need cheap data, you need a substantial data, a data that you buy and it will last for a very long period. So yes, get a very good internet, and you know your goal, you know what you are pursuing, and you know that even though you're going to spend for this data, in the end it will give you what you want. It's still a gain. It is not a loss on your side. You understand? It just takes a matter of time for you to. So guys, let me tell you something. Doing live streams is not easy. Most times a lot of people have failed to do live streams because they were scared that people were not going to come to their live streams, and I belong to this category. Guys, I was really scared of starting my live streams because I was always scared that people would not come. What if I'm live and I'm the only one there? There's nobody on my live stream. Then what's the point? I will just be wasting data for nothing. But trust me, that shouldn't stop you. Just keep doing it, because subsequently the people on your timeline will keep saying that this person is always live, she's always live, and from that they'll keep coming, and as they come, other people will keep coming, and it keeps increasing like that. You might not have much views, but trust me, it works. It still helps a lot. For the fact that you don't have views doesn't mean that your hours are not growing. Most times I used to see other people live, and at the end of their live stream I would see that someone was live for like 5 hours, and they had just 20 something views, and that would discourage me a lot. I'd be like, what if I go live and that is the same thing that happens to me? What if I waste my data for 5 good hours and at the end of it all I have just 23 views? But trust me, don't let the views fool you. Those views are just nothing but a number. The most important thing is you had people viewing your live stream all through the time. It is even better for you to have 4 concurrent views than for you to have like maybe 70 people coming to your live and staying for just 2 minutes and going back. You get what I mean? Like they just come, look at you and go back just for like 1 minute or 2 minutes. They don't even stay for long, than for you to have at least 4 or 5 concurrent views. You know what I mean by concurrent views? Those people that come and they are there. They are just there. They are watching you. They are running their data just to watch your live stream. Those people are the ones that are giving you the watch hours. I mean, I learned this thing and I really thank God that the views did not discourage me. Trust me, because there was a time I was live for 4 hours, and at the end of the live stream I had over 70 something views. And then there was this time I was live for 11 hours, and at the end of the live stream I had just like 30 something views. But do you know that this live stream that I had just 30 something views earned me more watch hours than the live I had over 70 something or even 100 views? Do you know why? Because I had a lot of concurrent views. Those people that are there, that are watching you constantly, maybe from the beginning to the end, they didn't go anywhere, they were just there with you. They really helped you to grow your watch hours. So that is what you should look forward to. And then that is where it takes us to the 4th point, which is to use your family members' devices. This helped me a lot. Guys, I'm not going to tell you guys something that didn't work for me. It worked for me, that's why I'm letting you guys know. I did my live streams for just 1.5 months. Just 1.5 months. And before I started my live streams, I was at 2,000 watch hours. And then in 1.5 months, I was able to earn 2,000 watch hours more, which got me monetized. So if you don't have a lot of views on your live streams, make sure you use your family's devices. You know, I used to use my entire family's devices. Once I turn on my data and I go live, I would connect my phone, my extra phone, my dad's laptop, my mom's phone, my dad's phone, all my sister's phones. I'll connect my brother's phone, my cousin's phone, you understand? So at a time I would have like 10, 11, 12 concurrent views, and that was really growing my watch hours really fast. Like in a day I would get, you know, when I started my live streams, I'll be getting 10 watch hours, and I was really grateful because I didn't expect that I would be getting those 10 watch hours even from my video in less than an hour. So my watch hours started increasing. In a day I would get like 60 something watch hours, and then subsequently started growing to 80 something watch hours a day, and then started growing to 90 something watch hours, to the point that there was days when I would get 105 watch hours, sometimes 120 something watch hours. And guys, there were days when I got up to 190 something watch hours in a day. So imagine how fast that is increasing. There were days when I would get even 200 watch hours. So that was how my watch hours kept increasing, just by going live, just from live streams. So you can understand why I say live streams really do help a lot. So guys, if you don't have a lot of views, get your family to support you. Use their devices, connect them to your live streams so your watch hours will go fast. So guys, that point takes us to the last one, which is grow your network. By growing your network, I mean that you should try to support others on YouTube. You know, this is a community. What you give is what you take. You don't expect people to do good to you if you're not being good to them. I'm someone that is all up for support. I like to support other people. So make sure you grow your network, connect with other people, go to different live streams or go to different people's channels, watch their videos, give them a comment in their comment section, subscribe to their channel. Just make them know that you're here to support them, and then they'll also support you back. That way you keep growing your network, you keep meeting new people, and you keep connecting to them, and that helps a lot. So make sure you always support other people. If you watch any of my videos and you leave a comment, there's no way I won't visit your channel. That's what I do, because I feel like you're supporting me, then I should support you back. So whenever I see a comment on my video, I just head straight to your channel, and if there's any video of yours that I haven't watched, then I just watch it and leave you a very nice comment. There are some people here that I'm up to date with their content, you understand? So sometimes they comment on my videos, I go to their channel and they've not uploaded a new video that I haven't watched, you get? So just make sure that you support other people so that they can also support you. So guys, that's all about this video. Those are the tips I wanted to give you guys based on my own experience, how I was able to get 4,000 watch hours in a very short period. So guys, that's all about this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you for staying with me up to this point. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just do it. It will give you a rewarding feeling if you subscribe to me. So sister, brother, just do it, okay? Just do it. And thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I remain your girl, Seddiesnowz, and please like this video, leave me a very good comment in the comment section, and I'll head straight to your channel to show you some love. And if you haven't subscribed, I'm reminding you again, please subscribe, share the video so that your friends can also watch, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.